Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will understand inheritance concept in Python by considering a very simple programming example. In this case, first we create an abstract class named shape. Then we derive two classes, circle and cone from it. Then we calculate area of circle and cone. First, we will declare a class that is shape. Actually, it is an abstract class here. Whenever we say class is an object, we cannot instantiate that particular class. Just we can declare the methods in this particular class. So we will have two methods, and the first one is you can say that area, which will accept one parameter, or you can say that one object. Whenever we derive this particular shape, we have to define this particular method. If it is not defined, we need to raise an exception, that is not implemented error. This is the error or can say exception we need to raise here. Similarly, I will have one more method. Let us say that the name of the method in this case is display. Okay, so now we have done with the abstract class. Now we need to derive this abstract class into two more classes, that is circle and cone. So I will declare one more class, that is circle, which will inherit the properties of shape here. It has to define these two methods, that is area and display. Apart from that, we will have one constructor here, that is def underscore underscore init underscore underscore, which will take one parameter that is object type, and second one is radius, so that we can calculate the area here, area of a circle you can say. So self dot r is equivalent to r, and then self dot area is equivalent to 0 in this case. Now we will define area here, area which will accept an object comma a radius. Not radius is required because we have already initialized that radius, so its object is more than enough in this case. Next, self dot a, that is area, is equivalent to 3.142, that is pi, self dot r, that is r, multiplied by self dot r, that is r square. Okay, now similarly we need to define one more method, that is display. Again, it will take one object as a parameter, and then we will display this area. Let us say that print area of circle is, you can say, self dot a. That's it. So we have a constructor here, and then we have defined these two methods. So similarly, what we do is we will have one more what we can say that a class. The name of the class is cone in this case, so I will just replace it by cone. Again, it will derive the properties from shape. Apart from r, we should have a height of a cone also. So self dot r is equal to r, self dot h is equivalent to h here. This is the one more thing required in this case. While calculating the area, apart from this, we need to add self dot h also, that is pi r square h, that is the formula. And then while displaying the result, we need to make it as area of a cone in this case. Now we have done with the abstract class and both the classes here, that is circle and cone. Now I will create an object of a circle, and then I will try to calculate the area and display the area. Similarly, I will do it for the cone also. So CIR is equivalent to circle. I will pass one parameter, let us say that 3, and then CIR dot you can say area, which will calculate the area of CIR. CIR dot display, this will display the area in this case, display. Similarly, we will do it for cone also. Let us say that we need radius as well as height also. I will name it as CON. I will name it as CON again here, CON here. Now I have created an object of a circle, I have called area and then displayed the area. Similarly, I have done it for cone, so it should be cone in this case. Now we will check it out whether our program is working fine or not by executing it. So I will execute this particular thing. Now you can see here area of circle is so and so, and the area of cone is so and so in this case. So the program is working perfectly fine in this case. Briefly, we will see how the program is written. Here we have created an abstract class consisting of two methods. If any of the method is not implemented, it will raise an exception here. The circle class derives the properties of shape, which has a constructor, and it has implemented two methods which are declared in the shape abstract class. Similarly, we have created another class cone. It has a constructor, again it has implemented the two methods which are declared in the abstract class. Next we have created an object of the circle, and then we have calculated the area and displayed the area. Similarly, we have done it for cone also. I hope the concept is clear. If you like the video, do like and share with your friends. Press the subscribe button for more videos. Press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you for watching.